What up, ninjas? So far, you have been able to create a new web page and key in content that can be displayed in a browser. In today's episode, we're moving into HTML attributes. HTML elements, as we already know, has an opening tag, but that's not the whole story. You sometimes need to add attributes as well. Why? Attributes give additional features to HTML elements. Attributes are always specified in the opening tag. And mind you, all attributes are made up of two parts, which are the name and the value part. Let's see an example. On your screen right now is the anchor tag, A for anchor. Just the opening tag and the closing tags. There are no attributes associated with it. Now let's talk briefly about the anchor tag. The anchor tag is the tag that gives your HTML the ability to link one website to another. So if you want to link a different website to your web page, like the Google website, the CNN website, or Facebook website, you want someone to click a part of your web page and connect directly to any of those websites, the anchor tag is what you use to link web pages or one website to another. As you've seen here, this on your screen is the anchor tag without an attribute. On the very next slide, we're going to see the anchor tag with its attribute that gives it that extra feature of getting your web page to be linked to an external or another website. Can you spot the difference in the anchor tag? What we did to this anchor tag is to add an attribute to give it that extra feature for it to be possible to link your web page to a different website. And like we said earlier on, attributes are added only to the opening tag. The attribute name here, as you can see in orange font, is called href. And the attribute value is in between the quotation marks, which is the website address we're linking to. So let's go over to our code editor to implement and see how this works. There is no point creating a new HTML file afresh. Let me not waste your time. I think we already understand how to generate a new HTML file. I'm just going to continue at this point from where we stopped. Now, we're talking about the anchor tag, right? That's the A tag. Now, the A tag, like we said, should go with an attribute, the href attribute. This is the attribute, and the attribute value should go in between the quotation marks. That's the website we intend to link our web page to. Let's in this instance say I want to link our web page to the Google website. Now that's the Google website address. Let's just type any text, just like we put in a random p tag or h tag. Take me to Google page. All right, that is it. If we save and go over to our browser, over here in our browser, this is our HTML file. Upon refresh, you see the link we just created. Take me to Google page. When you click on it, straight up, it takes you directly to Google page. All right, that's how it works. That's the anchor tag in action. So to go back to your home page or to your web page, you just use the back navigation arrow. Click and we're back there. All right, then let's demonstrate this again using the CNN page. All right, let's go back to our code editor. Now on our code editor, let's generate a link that connects this our web page, this story right here, to CNN. Remember, to create a link on the web page, you use the anchor tag, and let's just type something saying see more details on CNN. All right, now remember the anchor tag has an attribute, the href attribute, and the value we should key in here should be what? The CNN website address. All right, that should be www.cnn.com. Okay, you save and go back to your web page and refresh to see what happens. Refreshing our web page now. Good. Here is the link. We typed what? See more details on CNN. Now let's click and see if this web page gets connected to CNN or takes us over to CNN. That's it right there. The CNN web page live. Okay, so that's the anchor tag. It's as simple and as straightforward as that. Takes us from one website to another as long as you key in the right website address or URL. Now let's go back to our web page. That's the intro to HTML attributes. We've seen how they give extra feature to an HTML tag or element, and we delved into, as an example, how the anchor tag with its href attribute can be used to link your web page to another website. Linking one website to another using the anchor tag that has a href attribute that takes in the value of the website address you are linking to. I'm going to hold it right here. Let's take a moment for you yourself to practice how to use the anchor tag with its href attribute to link your web page to any website of your choice.